Okay, let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. You read first, inshallah, because we have done it once. So then I'll try to explain it more to you, inshallah.
I start now.
Yeah. Say A'udhu Billah completely and Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف باء تاء صاء
The more soft and simple. The with the open mouth.
ثاء
The sound should not be heavy, just simple. The
ثاء
okay, once again.
ثاء
Okay. Next.
جيم عين
No. Jim. After Jim.
جي ها.
This one is ha from the middle of throat, from here. Ha, ha.
ها
Yes. Okay.
خاء
Ho. Make it heavy. Ho.
خاء
You know the articulation of ho where we do like this place. Yeah. From there we have to say ho, ho,
خاء
and yeah. The sound should be heavy. Yes.
دال
Simple, very simple. Just dal.
دال
Yeah. Tongue touches over here and with the open mouth. Just say it simply. Dal.
دال
Yes.
دال
This one.
زال
Yes. Zal.
زال
Yes.
را
Yeah. Raw. Heavy.
را
Raw. Don't let
را
your lips be round. Just with the open mouth. And lips should be
را
yeah. This one.
زا
Z. A sound with a
زا
pressure.
زا
Like zebra, zoo, and yes.
زا سين
Seen.
سين
This sounds like a whistle
سين
sound, similar to it. Seen.
سين
Yeah, exactly not a whistle, but something like seen.
سين
Next.
شين
Yes. Very good. This one.
صاد
Heavy one. Sod.
صاد
That's better, mashallah.
ضاد
Very good. Bod. Heavy. Yes.
ضاد
This one.
طاء
Oh. The articulation is similar. Ta and to has this. Both of them have similar articulation, but this letter is light and this letter is heavy.
Yeah.
Ta and to.
طاء
Yes. This one.
ظاء
Zo. Yes, like zal, this letter and this letter, both of them have the same articulation. Zal, zo. This one is soft, light, and this one is heavy.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
ظاء
Okay, next. From the middle of throat.
عين
That's better.
Ghain.
Quite good, mashallah. Allah yabarik feek. Means you have prepared.
A little bit.
Yeah. The next one.
Fa.
Yes. Perfect.
Kaf.
Make it heavy. Heavy one.
Qaf.
Like this way if we write it. So I am writing by a mouse, so it's zigzag. Qaf, qaf,
Qaf.
qaf. So this one is qaf.
Qaf. Yes.
Yeah. And the next
Qaf.
one is very simple, like K sound. K.
Kaf.
Yes, and similar. Kaf. Like similar to it. Yeah.
Kaf.
Yeah. The change between these two letters.
Yes.
Otherwise, same. Yes. Qaf and kaf.
Qaf. Qaf. Qaf.
Yeah, this one is kaf, like king, king.
Qaf.
Sure. Very good. Next.
Lam.
Yes.
Mim.
Perfect.
Noon.
Yes.
Wow.
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 Yes. Next.
Mim.
This one is ha, simple. H sound. H sound.
Ha.
Ha, simple, simple. Ha.
Ha.
Yes. Yes.
Ha.
Yes. Next.
Hamza.
Hamza. Yes.
Hamza.
Hamza, like H A M Z A. Hamza.
Hamza.
Yes.
Hamza.
Writing with a mouse, it's not easy. Hamza. Yes.
Hamza. Hamza.
This is Z sound. Hamza.
Yeah.
Hamza.
Hamza.
Yes.
Hamza.
Next.
Ya.
Ya, simple, like Y.
Ya.
Ya. Ya.
Ya.
Yes. Ya. Ya.
Ya.
Ya. Ya.
Ya. Ya.
The difference of writing style, otherwise both of the letters are similar. This one is ya and this one is also ya. There are no dots under it below this letter, but it has always. Ya has a dot always.
Yes.
Without
Ya.
dots, there is no ya. And now let me tell you one thing. You know, this letter has corners, these corners, okay? One way, but when it's combined, you're gonna learn it, inshallah. So this one is the dot below, this one is ba.
Ba.
Yes. And if the two dots, let me make it. If the two dots on top, like
Ta.
two dots on top, this one is ta.
Yes.
Okay. If three dots on top,
Sa.
very good. If I draw here these three letters, so what is this?
This is ha.
Ha. Okay. I
Ha.
put a dot in ha's stomach. If ha has a dot,
Jim.
it became Jim. Perfect. Perfect. This one is Jim and this one is ha. I put a dot above ha. So it became
ha,
ha. Now it became ha. Now
yes.
we have more two similar letters. Dal. Okay. And if dal has a dot, it became
zal,
zal. Very good, mashallah. And next we have two letters, this one and this one. They are also look similar. They also are similar like this one. Or sometime this one, this type. So this one is raw. This one is raw. But if it has a dot, it became
za, za,
za. This one, za. Okay. And next we have this letter. We can
sin,
complete it like this way, or we can write it like seen. But if it has a dot, three dots on top.
sheen,
Sheen. Like I have seen something when I visited there. That is seen, seen. And when I say the sun shines in the sky, that is sheen, sheen. Sun
sheen,
shines. Okay? Shiny, sheen. And seen.
yeah,
Okay. Now we have two letters more similar like this one and this one.
sad,
Yeah. If it has a dot,
dad,
bod. Perfect. Perfect. Now two letters are also. We have more two letters like this one and this one.
sa,
Oh. Yeah. If it has a dot,
zal,
zo, zo. So,
uh,
to, zo.
za,
Very good. Now we have more two letters. Ain, ghain. Ain, ghain. So like I write here.
ghain,
Ain and
ghain,
so if there is a dot, it became ghain.
ghain,
Without dot, it is ain. So this is clear. The concept is clear. How to recognize the letters.
yes,
So shapes are similar. The game is of the dots.
yeah,
If dots are there, the letter is different. Without the dots, the letter is different.
yes,
Okay, now just this one is fa, like a sound, fa. Brother Sufyan almost forgets this again and again. What is this letter? Fa, fa, fa. So this one is qaf, qaf. It's like sometime if it has a dot, it is fa. If it has
yes,
two dots, it is qaf.
yeah,
Easy to understand?
yes,
So like fa and qaf.
yes,
Okay, then kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya, ya. So let me tell you here one thing. If it is like this, two dots here, this is ya. Okay?
yeah,
Yes. Like we have this line and here two dots. Ya. Two dots above. Ta. Three dots on top. Sa. One dot here. One dot. Ba. Okay?
yeah,
Easy to understand?
yes,
Ba. So we have to do next lesson, inshallah ta'ala. We end it here today.